Welcome back! So far, we've talked about different cybersecurity certifications and how they can help you advance in your career. But preparing for these certifications is a crucial step that requires the right tools, resources, and study strategies. In today's video, we'll dive deep into how you can prepare for your cybersecurity certification exams with tips on study methods, practical exercises, online resources, and tools that will make your journey smoother and more effective. So whether you're going for an entry-level certification like Security Plus, an intermediate certification like CISSP, or a specialized certification like OSCP, the preparation process plays a key role in ensuring your success. Step 1. Understanding the exam objectives and domains. Before you even start studying, it's critical to understand the exam objectives for the certification you're pursuing. Every cybersecurity certification is built around a set of domains or topics that the exam will cover. For example, if you're preparing for the CompTIA Security Plus exam, it's essential to know that the exam is divided into 6 main domains: threats, attacks, and vulnerabilities, 24%, architecture and design, 21%, implementation, 25%, operations and incident response, 16%, and governance, risk, and compliance, 14%. Understanding these domains will help you organize your study sessions and focus on the areas that carry the most weight on the exam. Most certification providers offer exam objectives or blueprints, so be sure to download these documents directly from the certification body's website and use them as your study guide. For certifications like CISSP, there are 8 domains, while CEH focuses heavily on ethical hacking tools and methodologies. No matter which certification you're preparing for, make sure you thoroughly understand the topics and subtopics that will be tested. Step 2. Study materials, books, guides, and video courses. Once you're familiar with the exam objectives, it's time to gather your study materials. Different people learn in different ways, so it's important to choose resources that match your learning style, whether that's reading, watching videos, or hands-on practice. Books. Books are a great starting point for deep dives into cybersecurity concepts. Many of the major certifications have well-known study guides and textbooks that provide comprehensive coverage of exam topics. Here are a few must-have books for popular certifications. For CompTIA Security Plus. CompTIA Security Plus Study Guide by Mike Chappell and David Seidel. This book offers in-depth coverage of the Security Plus exam objectives, along with practice questions and review sections. CompTIA Security Plus, Get Certified, Get Ahead by Daryl Gibson. A very popular guide that includes practical insights and tips for passing the exam. For CISSP, CISSP All-in-One Exam Guide by Sean Harris. This is the go-to resource for CISSP candidates, covering all 8 domains with detailed explanations and practice questions. Official ISC2 CISSP Study Guide, published by the certification body itself, this guide provides accurate and concise material that maps directly to the exam blueprint. For CEH, CHV11 Certified Ethical Hacker Study Guide by Rick Messier. This guide provides detailed coverage of all CEH exam objectives, along with practice questions and hands-on exercises. For OSCP, Penetration Testing. A hands-on introduction to hacking by Georgia Weidman, an excellent book for preparing for the OSCP, focusing on practical, hands-on penetration testing techniques. While books are great for foundational knowledge, they're even more effective when supplemented with other resources like video courses and interactive learning platforms. Video courses are another popular study method, especially for visual learners. Many platforms offer high-quality cybersecurity courses taught by industry experts, often including hands-on labs and practice questions. Here are some of the top platforms for cybersecurity certification prep. Udemy offers a wide range of cybersecurity certification courses, often at affordable prices. Popular instructors like Mike Myers, Jason Dion, and Andrew Ramdial provide in-depth courses for certifications like Security Plus, CISSP, CEH, and CCSP. Pluralsight. Pluralsight is another excellent platform for cybersecurity courses, offering in-depth learning paths for certifications like CISSP, Security Plus, and OSCP. Their platform also includes labs and quizzes to help reinforce learning. LinkedIn Learning. LinkedIn Learning provides a broad range of cybersecurity courses, often taught by certified professionals. It's a great option for people looking to learn at their own pace. Cybrary. Cybrary is a specialized platform focused entirely on cybersecurity education. It offers free and paid courses on various certifications, as well as hands-on labs and practice exams. Many professionals find Cybrary to be a great resource for certifications like Security Plus, CEH, and CISSP. Sometimes, you may not have time to sit down and read or watch videos, but you can still learn on the go. Cybersecurity podcasts and webinars can provide valuable insights into current industry trends, new technologies, and practical exam tips. Some recommended podcasts include Darknet Diaries. If you're into learning about real-world hacking stories and breaches, this podcast offers engaging, in-depth episodes on cybersecurity incidents. Security Now. Hosted by Steve Gibson, this podcast covers news in the cybersecurity industry, helping you stay updated on the latest threats and trends. Cyberwire. A daily cybersecurity podcast that provides quick updates on the latest cybersecurity events and insights. Webinars from platforms like IC2, CompTIA, and SANS can also give you valuable learning experiences, often covering exam tips, industry updates, and live demonstrations of cybersecurity tools. Reading books and watching videos will give you a strong theoretical foundation, but hands-on practice is where you'll truly solidify your skills. Many cybersecurity certifications, especially more advanced ones like OSCP or CEH, focus on practical skills and require you to demonstrate your ability to exploit vulnerabilities or defend systems in real-world scenarios. Online labs. Interactive labs are one of the best ways to gain hands-on experience. These labs allow you to work in a simulated environment where you can apply the concepts you've learned in a real-world setting. Here are some of the best platforms for cybersecurity labs. TryHackMe. TryHackMe is an excellent platform for both beginners and advanced learners. It offers interactive walkthroughs on a variety of cybersecurity topics, ranging from basic networking to ethical hacking and web app security. You'll find rooms dedicated to preparing for certifications like CEH and OSCP. Hack the Box. If you're pursuing offensive security certifications like OSCP or CEH, Hack the Box is a must-use platform. It offers a wide range of boxer challenges that you need to hack into using real-world penetration testing techniques. This platform focuses heavily on hands-on practical hacking skills. Rangeforce offers hands-on cyber range training, where you can defend and attack systems in an isolated environment. It's a great platform for people looking to practice blue team or defensive skills, and it provides simulations of SOC environments for incident response training. INE. INE offers a variety of hands-on labs, especially for certifications like OSCP and CISSP. They offer labs designed to help you understand network security, web app security, and ethical hacking techniques. Capture the Flag CTF competitions. If you're interested in ethical hacking or penetration testing, participating in Capture the Flag CTF competitions is a fantastic way to practice your skills in a gamified environment. In CTF challenges, you'll be tasked with finding hidden flags in systems, websites, or applications by exploiting vulnerabilities. Some popular platforms that host CTF competitions include CTF Time. This site lists upcoming CTF competitions from various organizations around the world. You can join challenges, compete in teams, and hone your hacking skills. Pico CTF, a beginner-friendly platform. Pico CTF offers challenges that help users learn ethical hacking concepts in a fun and interactive way. Over the Wire. Another great resource for learning through CTFs, Over the Wire provides challenges that range from beginner-level networking to more advanced topics like cryptography. Step 4. Practice, exams, and study groups. As you get closer to your exam date, taking practice exams is crucial. Practice tests help you gauge how well you've understood the material and identify areas where you need more study. Practice exams are a crucial part of your preparation journey. Here are some top resources for practice exams. Boson XSIM. Known for offering some of the most realistic and challenging practice exams for certifications like CISSP, Security Plus, and CEH. Transcender. Another reputable provider of high-quality practice exams for various cybersecurity certifications. Exam Compass offers free practice exams for certifications like Security Plus, with detailed explanations for each answer. Study groups and forums. Joining study groups or online forums can be incredibly beneficial for exam prep. Study groups give you access to other candidates who are going through the same challenges, allowing you to share resources, ask questions, and clarify complex concepts. Some great places to connect with others include Reddit, subreddits like r Cybersecurity and r CompTIA have active communities where you can ask questions and get advice from people who have already taken the exams. Discord groups. Many cybersecurity Discord servers are dedicated to specific certifications. These groups often have study channels where members share tips, resources, and practice questions. LinkedIn. Joining cybersecurity groups on LinkedIn can also help you connect with professionals and fellow exam candidates. Step 5. Exam day. Preparation tips. As your exam day approaches, it's essential to prepare not just mentally, but also physically. Here are some tips to ensure a smooth experience on exam day. Get a good night's sleep. Don't cram the night before your exam. Instead, make sure you're well rested and relaxed so you can think clearly during the test. Review your notes. In the days leading up to the exam, review key concepts, domain summaries, and any weak areas you identified during practice tests. Understand the exam format. Make sure you know what to expect in terms of question types, multiple choice, performance-based, and so on, and time limits. This will help reduce anxiety on test day. Bring proper identification. For certifications like CISSP, you'll need to bring valid identification to the testing center. Make sure you have everything you need before leaving for the exam. Pace yourself. During the exam, make sure to manage your time wisely. If you get stuck on a difficult question, move on and come back to it later. Conclusion. Preparing for cybersecurity certifications takes time, effort, and dedication, but with the right tools and resources, you can succeed. From books and video courses to hands-on labs and practice exams, there's no shortage of resources available to help you reach your certification goals. Remember to study consistently, practice what you've learned, and connect with others to share tips and insights. Your hard work will pay off when you achieve your certification and advance your cybersecurity career. Hey, if you're enjoying this content, it would really help both the algorithm and this channel if you could take a moment to like and subscribe. I'd be super grateful for your support. In our next video, we'll dive into the world of cybersecurity tools and technologies, from firewalls to intrusion detection systems. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.